Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to stop people from joining you in Roblox step by step. Now, if random players keep joining your game or following you into the servers, this quick privacy settings will help you control who can join you. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on roblox.com. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, you are going to see this gear icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. When you click on it, simply click on the option of settings. Now, if you are using the same steps in your Roblox mobile application, you can just tap on the three dots in the bottom right hand corner. Then you can go to the settings and here you will find the option of privacy and content restriction. So once you click over here, you are going to see the option of who can join me in the experiences. So here, when you select this option, you can just simply select the setting who you want to allow when you are playing Roblox. You can also click on further options like who can join me in the experiences, and then you can select like everyone, friends, or no one. If you select no one, no one will be able to basically join you when you are playing your game on Roblox. While you are here, you can also change some of the other privacy options like who can message me, who can invite me to the private server, and who can follow me into the games. So you can set all, or you can set one to no one, or everyone, or to your followers, or to your friends. So once you have made your changes, you just have to scroll down and make sure that you save all of your changes when prompted. Then close it and reopen your Roblox to ensure that the new settings take effect. Now only the people who you allowed will be able to join your game. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.